So once a client has given the green light, we'll begin, like every good project, by setting targets, understanding their motivations and any restrictions they're working with. Every MeshZero client will be assigned an account manager who will oversee the entirety of their project, providing constant feedback and design advice to get the best result. With MeshZero clients, it's important that we begin working together at the very early stages of a build. This is because things like orientation of a building or the number of windows can massively affect the sustainability credentials. The more you take advantage of the natural elements of your site, the less you need to rely on electricity for heating and cooling. We work with the architect to manage this while minimising impact on the building aesthetic. So, once we've set some targets, we'll start by getting to grips with the site and the design. We would normally do this by building a digital twin of the proposed design. This allows us to run analysis of daylighting, thermal modelling and overheating risks. And we look at this in the context of the project climate changes over the next 50 to 100 years. Which provides reassurance that a design will remain within comfortable limits all year round and in the long term. And of course, we can suggest changes to the design to make the most of the natural lighting and shading. We'll also run analysis on current fabric choices for their thermal efficiency and offer alternatives so that you can spend your project budget precisely where it will have the biggest impact on energy bill savings and thermal comfort. During this stage, we also undergo a whole life embodied carbon assessment of the client's current design specification and offer advice on how to minimise emissions through alternative choices. We also begin to look at the feasibility of various renewable technology solutions like solar panels or heat pumps. This gives clients the chance to understand capital and running costs, available subsidies and grants, and the design impact of each solution. It's around this time that your building design would be confirmed and submitted for planning. Once the design of the building has been set and planning approved, our M&E team will build on early stage energy strategy planning and modelling to create informed technical solutions. This is where Mesh really sets itself apart from traditional energy consultants. By having an in-house M&E team who work in tandem with the building performance consultants, we can ensure a smooth transition from insights to solutions. We'll already be familiar with your building and have worked on those early stage recommendations, so there won't be any hidden pitfalls around technology feasibility. Our team produce holistic M&E design to ensure building-wide systems such as water distribution, ventilation, drainage, power and lighting are all overseen by a single designer. This can then be documented and specified for contractors to ensure accurate pricing at the tender stage. The team are also happy and able to offer an installer referral service and oversee the return tender. As an independent consultancy, we work in your interest to compare and advise on proposals to ensure that you get the best value and quality. In the final stage, the client's account manager will oversee the system commissioning and handover and provide assistance with subsidy applications. At this point, we can also run post-occupancy energy monitoring to ensure that everything is working as efficiently as it was designed to do. We'll always be on hand to offer advice and guidance into the future. To find out more about MeshZero can do for you and your sustainable building project, get in touch today.